What's up, everybody? It's Uncle G, and look, I'm going to be straight up with you. Remember that feeling you had like 5 or 10 years ago when you saw Amazon just blowing up, or Tesla? Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our latest videos. Back then, everybody knew those companies were onto something big, but not everyone invested. And now, well, let's just say those early investors are living pretty comfortably right now. Imagine investing in Amazon before e-commerce exploded, or buying Tesla stock when electric cars were still a dream. You knew deep down that they were the future, but maybe you hesitated. Maybe you thought it was too late to get in. Well, guess what? That same kind of opportunity is knocking again right now in 2025. But this time, it's in something even bigger: renewable energy. With governments going green, fossil fuels getting phased out, and new tech making clean energy cheaper than ever, the next energy revolution is here. And trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. Stick with me to the end, because I'll reveal 3 of the most promising renewable stocks for 2025 you don't want to miss. Let's go. First up, we've got Enphase Energy. Now, if you're not deep in the renewable energy game, you might not have heard of them. But trust me, these guys are huge in the solar world. Think of them like the Apple of solar technology. They're known for their sleek design, user-friendly interface, and overall, just making solar super accessible. What Enphase does is they create these things called microinverters. Basically, it's like the brains behind each individual solar panel, making sure it's operating at peak efficiency. The cool thing about microinverters is that even if one panel gets shaded or has an issue, it doesn't affect the rest of your system. Enphase also has this killer software platform that lets you monitor your energy production and usage in real time. You can see exactly how much money you're saving, how much power you're generating, and even track your system's performance over time. It's all about transparency and control, which I love. But here's the real kicker. Enphase is not just some small startup anymore. They're a multi-billion-dollar company with a proven track record of growth. They've been consistently beating earnings estimates, expanding into new markets, and just crushing it overall. Now I know what you're thinking, Uncle G. Is it too late to invest in Enphase? And look, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, but I truly believe that Enphase is just getting started. The solar market is projected to explode in the next few years, and Enphase is perfectly positioned to capitalize on that growth. Alright, moving on to our next renewable energy giant, NextEra Energy. Now these guys are on a whole other level. We're talking about one of the world's largest producers of wind and solar energy, with a massive portfolio of assets across the United States. NextEra is like the veteran in the renewable energy space. They've been around for decades, steadily building up their infrastructure and expertise. And let me tell you, that experience shows in their financials. We're talking about consistent dividend growth for over 25 years straight. You heard that right, 25 years? That kind of track record is almost unheard of, especially in the volatile energy sector. It shows that NextEra has a sustainable business model that can weather any storm. But here's the thing. NextEra isn't just resting on their laurels. They're constantly innovating and investing in new technologies to stay ahead of the curve. They're heavily involved in battery storage, green hydrogen, and other cutting-edge solutions that will shape the future of energy. For me, NextEra is like the safe bet in the renewable energy space. They're a well-established company with a proven track record of success. If you're looking for a long-term investment that will pay dividends for years to come, NextEra is definitely worth considering. Beyond electric cars. Now, for the final stock on our list, we've got a bit of a wild card: Tesla Energy. Yeah, you heard that right, Tesla. I know what you're thinking. Uncle G, isn't Tesla a car company? And you're right, they're killing it in the electric vehicle market. But what a lot of people don't realize is that Tesla Energy is becoming a major player in the renewable energy game. We're talking about their Powerwall battery storage systems, their solar roof tiles, and their massive megapack batteries that can power entire cities. These guys are thinking big and moving fast, just like they did with electric cars. Now, I'll be honest, investing in Tesla is not for the faint of heart. It's a volatile stock, and Elon Musk can be unpredictable, to say the least. But if there's one thing I've learned about Tesla, it's that they don't play by the rules. They disrupt industries and create their own markets. And that's exactly what I see happening with Tesla Energy. They have the potential to revolutionize the way we generate, store, and consume energy. If they can achieve even a fraction of what they've done with electric cars, Tesla Energy could become one of the most valuable companies in the world. So is Tesla Energy a risky investment? Absolutely. But it's also a potentially game-changing one. If you're willing to stomach the volatility and believe in Elon Musk's vision, then Tesla Energy might just be the ultimate renewable energy play. So, are you ready to turn clean energy into smart wealth? Look, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's never been a better time to get involved in the renewable energy sector. These companies aren't just shaping the future of energy, they're shaping the future of our planet. If you learned something today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more content that empowers your wallet and the planet. And hey, while you're at it, let me know in the comments which renewable energy company you believe in for 2025 and beyond. Until next time, invest boldly, live sustainably, keep crushing it, and I'll see you in the next video.